Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Paola Villota, and today I'm going to tell you about what do you if to become the new Colombian president. So, if I were Colombian president, I would make several changes in the parliament, and to begin with, I will reduce the numbers, the congresses and the senate and assemblies. I were Colombian president. I will claim corrupt politicians and dismiss them. I will give more value to the merits and experience, along with the honesty and love for the country and its people. Two, if I were Colombian president, I will establish an efficient health system for those most in need. If I were Colombian president, I will remove some government subsidies and replace them with incentives for business activities. Thank you. See you.